Loja.
Ogur magat. Kunst táisi go maith an sa.
Gohúntach agus cum here gur míle magat as an gar son
Fiber be.
Gur míle agus mar a dúir tú má ta rodile heolig mé raid cúnta mu gur is fuilm sa cuasaí astruúáin is fuile mé but just gar a bhís a dhéanamh de cara eilelam sa bhaile a gur so choirí bóthir tá sé déanamh siúlódí na sráide so tá sé go.
So tá tú ar a guiste farbartha.
Tá, yeah, agus bhua mar cás na muilte gaotha.
Son alright.
No, so? Yeah, so no, ní raibh anna chuid le déanamh a gumsa maidir leis sin ní raibh aon rud.
Okay. Rud, yeah.
Oh, Christa có, but yeah, really Christa farbartha agus í Lucy a bhí taobh here.
Okay, because that's the go mar Jane.
Yeah, vi Jane agus a iad radio na Gaeltachta má dhéann tú ar má hen tú ar an siomh beag tú nána an taglah éisiú leis an taglah arís mar
Okay.
Yeah, agus bhí sé anna yes, so just tíor gotí an télo yes. Massa mar an déirdí nuair nína, but tuigh sé níos big green graph an dóibh mar cynnig é agus déistas leis beidir í hathrann agus dhéanamh ar job úntaach. In fairness, now you know their job in Scott. So
yes, on the host the Twitter and there's not a couple of and grab on cost. No, not rev on cost $1 good you black clear no pay a day.
Yeah. And come here, Tatu ag socruishta good deal if Frederick did rare Instagram.
Your Instagram should have talked after around them on my
so Instagram versus reality. Until to yeah.
Time socruishta. Do you know what? Braham on the road the cage vocht and then maar na han ag siiste stocha bhí an gíre tosnathe agus ag féchan tímpdrom agus ag féchan dars na dahanana agus áileach na máte tá anna hrua a gom din ná raibh siiste an anna sinna eiscint.
Sinné agus tháinig si agus bhí an gíre túmh agus bhí an díon glasáil ar siú. So an dá rud le chéile. So tháinig si I dro amachchas amach. Mar an rud a hála dún créitúir an bocht freisin bhí sé rinne cé teap an ciad ar an ciad teaptan de enar. Agus an son bhí COVID sa teile go ná ní bhúirs mar a hála ní bhúir si an COVID, but bhí COVID sa teile agus bhí si idir gáin sin an son agus dhéon si an cinenne nach raibh si chun teap godaí deire mí enar. So corrigéile ríise bhí you know, so yeah, bhí agus lena cuid lóistín se bhí si in Coníon Airbnb ar deire. Yeah, bhí an áit in a raibh si in Coní ar deire nuair a thug mé féin agus mór an cuairt ar bhí Airbnb a bhí agus bhí sé anna costa so.
down the valley on Kielari of money again. I had to go to or Harkin and Bashan. I was Aklam son Martha and the Kiel the Delta going Parliament Achtashi being the one fantastic group. Congress Conrad nor hosted down the valley on Kielari of Vishira but Horace Keshtish and Madelation Arrogant the Line Moscow. Ungludian Shishin Kursi Marafdola, agus Ersicate, Nicludian Diagonal, Astoka Greblostian, Hostake. Because do Chilam Greb Shim Raffin to Lorna Camerof, Roderick Stoka the Hunt to Graf to Gar Belg. Time shot Albany's good to math, a time in the whole school, so it didn't shed them.
Sinné agus le tá Frederick anna bheogus féidir le siúil seir níl seachas tócha fehanóméid nó cuaignomméid diaag siúil duite ar a bhéid tá mé cepa.
Mar
de hiúla mar dan mé féin agus morin mar seirtain agus ar morin dan mar I days in an óstáin sin agus de hiúla mar is seach di Frederick bhí sé hart a ruúr a clé ach de hiúla mar is seach anyway yeah nuair bhí mar ag búla a céis ní bhálhaing má tá aon puirtóirí teachút ní bhálhaing the days in an óstáin sin bhí sé
agus cén hamna blian mí feabhra nó
Mia Braun.
Okay, I'm not sure on the or.
Ní raibh sé róilc. No, ní raibh sé róilc an uair son. Mia Braun ní raibh sé róilc. Now, chuirigh siad big na dtíine áitiúla dhéanamh sin dom sa Montana freisin big siad rá ó big an I'm sure go hulk big and I'm sure go hulk. So bhís réig nuair a tháinig leann so. Agus ceapan tú go bhfuil na hairnig go donna chuige sin, but tá drom seo níos mesa. Hi Gita!
Hi, Córja chun atá sibh.
Anna Vags to Hennig.
Goma. Chun sa há cuasaí in Novus or in St. John's agus Fredericton.
Go hook. Agus fiochan I'm sure go hauling a good son.
Yeah, actually tá sé fós dasan so like bhí sé fihicéim ané so like tá sé fós anna he like tá agsúil gomeg sa drop mór a going an chat an seo but yeah fós ag fehever féis go lei tá sé chun éirí anna ó an side é beidir mína saona but tá táling fós anyway so yeah.
Rose, hi Anton.
Good Santa an Magstein.
Comhrá fad. Comhrá bhí béle áling a go sé Anton Caribh tú.
Oh, the VV in Orson, so I check her go. Agus bhí seachtar
I was like onation o Orson pa mar danas lo on nolig shikata nor bhís mo hira e Toronto. So bhí rod nether onation Orson pa.
In a good day in a no bhí go hauling Orson dum sco na fuil.
Glóta, absolutely glóta.
Connic mé Claire tá like Ryer go chud an like CN Tower or an CN Tower time? Yeah. Class.
Dear was corn if you know again.
Oh yeah, like.
Oh yeah. Well, anyway, Gita, if you have to go prinu and love for so initially in
lads, be Nora and down or
Would Harley shin Dominic and Eric Gita, so like Tashan technical James, yeah, like your Kyle Dina,
like
prina house.
Okay, like a VS like fake turn schedule and law river August just Nílam cinnte cad a háirle like bhí an go háin chuirteach go agus bhí alarm like siúla gom but I think chuirtíad cealnú ru éigent nó rás am chola so nóair gúisigh mé just like I don't know bhí like just bhí mé fud na háit an san but so like bhí like tháinig mé an rud agus bhí sibh go léir imethe ach bhí Amanda agus James full time. So bhí an ann caintlo péisce like bhí an lower fight like yeah. So like bhí an ann just like bhí siad ag caintlo mar trasna na downta agus just an pá like agus bhí sin an maid but just I don't know done céad count bhí Nora an down you know.
But mar dúr a hála sé go minic in Irig agus sure idir Kangel, Iderlín agus different. Sure few van le show enough to be a grolum hennig on a lahore treasure on a lahore treasure kinta on a lahore treasure like full of cartago.
I was a lahore treasure ditche. Oh no, like 3 o'clock nish. Because that's 3 o'clock like Citronona.
Yeah. Sean tá sé 2 o'clock Dutch Sean nach well.
Can you reach?
Oh na, oh yes, tá fuim lagan sonna go say Sean. But anyway, Gita inish doing Kurdistan Loshti, Kurdistan Ulskul, tá I'm sure yes.
Lads, caig me trust biog a hortíh, like on Loshti go hauling. Like on vacatory and Nera le Daniel
Yo niaka budurche grev was it go lava morga agus Kara Hollog Nuradeg and Visha
creta like fan second now Tom control lots of 5 seconds because all like patio more a gumsa like just dumb hain like fan second now and Willem and I shot occur okay Milam and I but look like
wow.
Furniture on sun a gum coma like she do creta agus like leis an einir coma like just Tom agiri just like you know make the most of it on sun agus so like so shin on count is fresh shin on shomer lava is a fresh on sun agus so like Bardrus more on sun like shin on shomer sea
go hauling.
Yeah, I thought she got hauling like agus an Kishton Howland Sun Shumra Lava Ella Shin Mukyan on Sun.
Oh like, wow.
Like tá sé go háling, like tá sé comór, like ní raibh riamh imachóní am éonar. So just like, oh my god, tá mar bhfuin an wican sa like, you know.
Sprawled out
Yeah,
mar fud go háide.
Kate fan Kate. Kun a há lotín live agus like am an choláiste congrach. I know víirt like the cean hain like dare an saoire nach raibh Sicily.
Yeah, the forest me cean hénig and dibrig séach go húntaach. So obviously vi sem Malicán in Nirig, so vi ahanna go mar vi súla henna go mar tak. So vi i mahoni congra galore on blinch kasha. But no, tá cuasí a bhd níos fearm léana, like vi ní raibh céadtí a bhána gom in Nirig, agus fi sé anna cuúin, like is tahaníonn sé lumsa dul amach go dul grí na clétharna. Tá an drumstro go húntaach nó tá mí dul amach níos déanaí.
And
so it's
like sorry, Broner.
True MacLean at all.
Oh,
so
okay,
yeah, so dinner on team, dinner on Malaysia, August dinner on Alban. So probably Harava international that on Takahauling bread. No, I'm sure Tasha Kusun is Takona you know, Takona character. August vi gapro the stigon so bull in the sun the hooneri vi Nina viidir Aaron freisler notskol agus vi inine kind of codí sa chat. So vi gakrod an so pláti, popán, spatula, tá gá kuisnoral vor, gá rotoral vor, gakrod like tuali
river and what the an sanya.
Fuaki canak. So like tá sé arras. Agus tá mé hart fehanóméid siúd on olskol beidir níos lú. Ná sin but tahaníonn sé sin no. Yeah, tahaníonn sé sin.
Yeah.
Agus tá boss chain boss but new side man boss kind of in contact just to draw I'm sure agus yeah Tom Harvest sauce Harvest sauce so and to one kind of smart how coursey low she let's it
Hagama is féidir beag nach a chéanú d éiscin téhhir go stocha cean sa bhaid níos slúna an déir seán le tá postéirí fuid Toronto rá like is stocha gur íoc rialtas Alberta asta. They're like, oh, you know, Mother Fed let Pusta Guide, Mother Fed let Tigga Guide, Mother Fed let Bloody Blag Oil in Ontario, Tirga, Alberta, August is layered, will have had small arrogant, August what these most posh, son, no matter how. So, Fortis and Chomra, so Sarah Nashka, on all school, home arrogant plus like home chef, their countess the Fergus of son, last month in Vinog, so on Chef Furfen or either Hoscom Grey 5 in an egg, Garoid and Eric, Mar Darnoig, Viammer, the Lorna, Nadine Glasola. Agus marsin vi sé sa tomra le Shane agus Nilain McLean timple agus vi sé rohansto kom alle sort part of Flish McLean like niet tot in dictorn in ein ha an Ibson rate bu sa so is ve lum dolleach agus miskiel kin pe or a hat steen wo of ja han se gebra na bakle gris an son near Winston ballig foile han a Catholic
she more glore.
Hasúla seomra ó stáin really há lab mór gom and Jomra Folke hain Kuishnor microwave Vardrúsa vor. So is gebra and then Nilain Kishneer a gampus so tá fáile go mar Argentine Sernashka so hasin Harve Washington bar ní gá the main folk of so sáháil sin an a good ag sao. So I'm sauce the gdí seo info.
Dreepers. Sinna Rose and Bowen.
Ní gaigh tú dulgadí an olhhar gan éon rud an san.
No dír a Kenny and banna sinné dun dé.
An bhfuil kittle a gut.
Kenny's kittle is so an céad teachta mar níor cup té gom. Well ví a dír a cup té an bhstig canteen le mavali té hain ach you know bhín a coin doga cois te ga the teen ball.
Oh yeah.
Agus just ní raibh ná dóibh so Kenny is kittle agus mavagi hain agus con brasás den is agus for the smallí féile sa fós cúpla na an bháir.
Yeah. Rinne's gland dermot like keen a hort lum like you know rinne my gland dermot ag an noleg tom con like mod a lawn like up on a hort a rash
Oh Jen kinte and like because we said Port Machmar has to go in like collage and a verbala out will Isa fell over and being a pictorial glare to go more Harvey Norman you know like I think about like Harter kids green graphicum srutza I guess we steering taft there blue tack like an kid chachten and you're out now taft there and we just Louis me Vone and next thing just Facebook fechit tonight taking Ella or no I got son for display from of over and his broly And she was like, literally trucking over with the nation, she left and she was like, okay, how blue tax fuss. And I was like, what? So, I should talk to her. So after the focus just on first, she like, on irrits on like potatoes, hunky dories, Oreos, like all like Cadbury's, like the hand with this close sauce.
Tá tú milse a mátas amach.
Milse. Agus bin an chéad seachtain. So
Oh, gas. Agus Sean, tá tú sa sásta dáit se bhfuil?
níl sé go húntaach.
No, tá sé fós 6 mile.
No. Má tá clúsána go beidir. Ó, nu an fón.
Oh yeah.
Tóg time sure. So yeah, sin cuasaí lóistín bhfuil cardda déanta goibh nó.
Tá cúpla cara go is dócha. I há sé cho eisteach do gus starnoig an óíarnach ar fógus thar leir bhíos ag Jennifer Erasmus. So just like lastig the free law vi go like tru dunne vi in an nalu hordalum, you know, agus vi gachéin sort bunne ke round ke via the orientation group, you know, agus ni en ha cardja last mother sin an or mar chahad chuid am a gléir leis na déine son agus, you know, vítáistiks and slowerland them good small than now news stick thorne leis na déine géine, so ni bo déine elle like near the vein cardja on Asian tier agus need fós. Ach is toch an sacha sé mar dar nooit kom ik opert agus is féle me bheit meske leis na mé klientis na amach fe trí ach egen am gerne de déine gampus an ku smo like shaktig op to fiskul het skedrien so dar nooit like die leenspe go déine mar ro o gemacht smach ach go is se gan drodí is toch sekéet schachten go like om wel den glob ladoige snal skoil agus ko se ihe Palestínach agus, you know, vi like discourseúí bhaid agus mar sin. So just bhualas le cúpla duine agus chomáile sin like so I'm kind of, you know, I'm tréis aithne chuir sta déine son go pointe áirithe ach an son há aithne gom darnoig ar pan or hána so sin agus léir háid chodas like gafadóha so is cordí it son an isise stocha agus há chalína bháin bhualas léthe ar Erasmus leis agus as chun na míide agus vog sin so I milúnasa socha lenne bochel agus so vi marna in our garde hanna hen so ha a richt agus an vog cara elle on do helen and so kai so hin so ha couple den a team na haite agus gan de chud líon rio valve
agus cad futsa G10.
So like an tarna law, well, Tree Daniel, Tom Teresh Ahnakar, Anna Quidini, like Tree Daniel, and Ferrin Pelgoila Kanza. So like an tarna law, Forrest Riafost, O Cara Daniel, Agra, like, oh, you know, I'm Owen, like, Tom Marooney, done Club Pelgoila, is feeling like Roddig and to Yanov like so Dorche Lum he was like oh to train all going a knocked mas mala chuckling, you know, so like Neil Pelguelak near ni raus riamh ag Pelguelak like Neil skill be gom ach could me out just I want con ahna dini, you know,
I got no
yeah August Treat and Globe Tom Trish ahna anaquid and so like so tá like mask on more like de Canadig de like Dini o dearha elle August de Hernig coma so like on Berta home like Anna Vorlo is o era iad so tá cean an lockley agus cean elle o Tiberdorin so yeah so like wakes more le go raibh Daniel Port of Rod son because like gone Daniel ní bheoh go mé
tá good, yeah,
sinné cos heol sé teachtracht cum I think a rihan darig ag rá a ag an feel like, you know, oh Dianfa Anrod like be a part of glow like cos tá siad Anna like just court agus le héid, you know, so yeah treat an club Tom Teresh Ahnachar ar 19 because like Salostin and sa like Tom quidis mode an adulti own like Cadley next dan Tarnavy next is mished like Tom like, you know, fihe shaft the nish agus like ta size gap more
Tá bhar now, yeah.
Yeah, so bhí sé sais das ahanana chuir daine ha beáí níos sinne, you know. But like tána daltí có das ansa ach you know, just tá sé sais das daine níos sinne a bheitthe gom comá, you know, just agus cumar like haicnú go agus yeah. Tá si dána céir fút, but sure, bhí ana go daoine hena féin Cecily ó
yeah. So in nirig is so go bhí macord a hénig gum so tá mar bhil de grúpa fáíocht de freisin. So is de lú cord iad son. Agus an son in nirig sin molla eile tá gum well is tóca well Gita tá sig siúla mac le duine so neidir an féislum volle $2 bumble. But is $2 bumble a gur corda. So bhualis le cúpla duine trí sin, yeah, agus dibrig sé amach go más, so tá cara eile gom ó bubble, tá bhí burt actually ach tá duine cotrééis bog a haar lear. So an grúpa fáíocht tá cúpla duine ó bumble, an son bhfuil sin de céalaí tí nó, agus an son tá níléon éarnig an sá sin an rud chuir sé díá bhór or am inérig.
Súil go mbeoh anna chuid dain.
Níl agus na dtíine tá sá like ruggo giad in air an chuige blian ó hin, you know, an agus an son is so go tá cúpla cara eile go atá ní sinne ach tá ar goúnta chun dul amach agus dul náisina agus bíon siad rá ó Cecily do you want to go to some day spin and it's like yeah mar ní le glú seán go, you know, well ní Holland so an son tá grúpa eile corda go atá ní sinne agus an son like bíon siad rá ó ar bhile dul ar trusco casco and I'm like yeah le ar bhile dul go dtí Walmart yeah nuair náfuil glú go bíon sé beagání níos deacra
bhfuil si
Ion cord is a bhreisig testáil tá cógan ó idir i obair agus scarad ná táim yeah, but tá góhan like níl gá am dollar bumble nó a gur card tá blo card gom san ná chun dul amach leo agus scarad so sin go má, bud bhrathe sé nuair a bhogus in nirig like an ciad ceachtain go háthe Visrálim hénig go tá gaprod ag dollar go bra ach níl éon card gom like níor hála sé seo do riamh ma héal, you know, bí sé spúig gamanta agus an son trééis seachtain, you know, bíon card go.
Yeah, tógan sé am just chun well fós $10 ar rudí but fós like curachan ar daoine comma like or like téimi I ggur go pontéinú ra éigen do hang go ham but fós like you know I don't know tá sé có difriúil a bheith an sa you know agus ag bog go háit eile iad éonar you know tógan sé am chun just you know ahanana chuir daoine. Yeah, Broner am caig mé buge cos tá rudig and tá alarm no rudig.
I was like, oh, but you shouldn't show no kid.
No, tá sé an sa, tá sé cur stalker so tá just say buge. Good an patio Broner there.
No, that's patio good.
No, just the cold ass. Yeah, ni vengan an dollar wale now Teresa like I'm just Teresa dollar dahi a him ein or on timer fad, you know.
Bfuil sé carculór na beagání nuig nach Gita.
Brahan sé like is the brahan sé anna uignach just you know like níl an fake and ruddy scan rule is the you know because via say fake and you know one chlor on a Waller do you know one rudder Dammer Sinead
Jeffrey Dammer yeah
Jeffrey Dammer via say fake and sin. But curse shultration dinner ihawan. But just be she rose gone rule like agus may or ansa. So curse ni rouse and I'm faking there iteration. So yeah, just like irihan late how she go bra, but it's the Abraham size uignach alright. Gahora had just like Tom igoni like ag faking there in the door shags na fuino again will she doontag scarad, you know. But like Tom like like Tom size partuk than Lowstein so sin an Lowstein din a Vic Lane and son so tá she timple aram but Thomas size like Doris ham a gum well tá she sin go bra ni gahig me kind low or dull treat an Lowstein an timer fad ach you know I don't know, tá sé difriú, like tá sé an céadúir dom a bheit méinar, so it's malu mé ach ó am go home tá sé saisúig nach, you know?
I know, sin nuair bhíos i cuatú lóisí ní raibh áit mé éonar uaim chuna bheith macánta. Agus chuna bheith macánta ní rásig le bogasteach le trúr eile ach an uiril mar cepas go sin umarcach. Bud dibber sé amach húntaach mar is card úntacha iad nó chun dul amach agus rudí cosúla sin. So yeah, tahiníonn sé sin dom nó cha mé rá. But yeah.
Nor vís san inisialtír, you know, vís ag mracht Jimén ar chuma sa Lostín dus na McLean before studio is run Katianta sin san inisialtír. Ach Gita, oh my god, literally now sa saoig mise ag mracht and sa tig ag baile gurfiig ar fa fehiblian is socha nu namely on the day agus an son Boga Gadini Shatir, like ime in our studio apartment, who is here in Buenos Aires, and then literally like did Saharan vis igraf de mainer sneacher and did down like this in glass oil igarfig gan ve now elu so nor hen to vale on she ho active igraf and led the hysteria or like more spade laddish
an rod son goma. Oh my god,
honestly. Agus braha uti achan son nor vian actually like you know like nor vian who me palette screen and vis main. Honestly, I'd give a leg live a city man or give him a breakfast like on any hour some, you know.
I know. Like an era via size like even luckily via some honey like lemma water and timer fad because like vishi own con tordara and era like tishti agus san igarkig via lemma hishim hori koma so tá sé anna yes a reach just con spas biog of a gum like nor ra sa bhástrucht via sa mahoni le Bert Carolum an cead blian agus sa tarn blian via soile so tá sé jazz a bheith like con an spas a bheith gom agus like conneering around navs block is a bheith gom a reach you know like ní léine cur ceistna ar agus le héad ach agus derving nach mioch an chance gom a bheith mé or like a bheith mahoni a mainer like taréis sé cause like tá sé có costasach soile you know I say mioch an chance gom agus cad é ríis
agus howlan so few conáis all in the inner
Shinny, yeah. So I'd say Pahig may just tatna of wintas because I'd say ni biak an hands go marish. So yeah. Tasha Galling just con like ruddy a og and timple not. Ni le Ryan rod lum, you know. It's been lum ein rod a coke like coke up their behe yana agus ni gahig may like you know untidy up a yana of like dear so yeah, thought me quintanavas but
sin mí vantáiste freisin mar uanta nuair bhíonn tú sa bhaile agus fágann tú rodéigen bhíonn sé glan nuair a hagann tú ar neis agus nuair tá tú cóí a déanaar it's like Jesus tá sé fótón nuair glan é
yeah bhí duine gan con mo washing a dhéanamh comá ar agus caiig mé a dhéanamh domhéin imlíana so yeah sure look it's got its pros and cons mar there
no Leonard
He's just gonna vís vale is stocha harter an behulá bhí another uníisiil tír. Agus sure nach misisiach den 12 pubs in Utrecht on ihe rimré agus bhím airí go chuig tugur matin don etal. Agus bhí mar a ddírig sort 12 pubs a dhéanamh fis na daine idirnáisiúnta go léir chum colfór na héir an na haispáint dó beidir gan man sa hé chum another. Anyway, sure chum mé bhaile glahar fish tree. Gur mai ri chuig agus sure níor chola mé é an alarm doin or that buach sa díobh ma chósa ón ratan beag ag tachlam in airfort so she nearly broke the door down a dúra go hóiseach. Ach sure bhí an dirtal lán le de gachéan rud féin spéir agus bhíos chun é an a bhar nach níor tamagam so bhíar mé hágant mar bhíos chun caiith ar nettle. So vi sé viidir nor han me trí shaften in níos déna vi an turtle bo slán. You know what? Vi sé carculor agus neidir funnas ach doirignom an brús go a hortmach agus me rédi an airfort we sa dia so ach vi sé pí scaldi ach vi sé carculor ní an gríiste.
agus an bhfuil sibh tá tus ag dohile don nulaigh Anto nachhfuil
Oh yeah, a Google so.
Úláide agus díra go Toronto gom lech líana.
Din go é anig landál ag fucking carúéis a chuig ar maden agus díra even though door cleared them, vi sirálum in no, it wasn't clear. It was a Carlo Michelle Bano 6 Mile Bridge come out or bus pa ach vi sirálum mar vi overlayer lingus so hon she treasure net in the end of the meal tour ach de vi sirá on orjarnach landál she ag fetrish kuig nu per dé ach bín an wheeler Somalium la clia hart nolig stocha so ní rah an mála take féidir sé so vír hí fannacht dína hocht kun an céad ar Coachella lab a báis fin drasan tírig dal ar fetín glár.
Oh, sin fásach. Nílam chun mála hógad bhile ceap. Tom Bader con count a hortar nash Neelam Kinta fos, but Neelam con count just like because Kahig me like connection ian of coma. So Tom Egetel do Edmonton go Toronto. Ag so like Kuig or nu Rodeg to gum igor and layover August and Sandol o Toronto gum locally. So I'd say Neelam con count Hogan just Eraglin a hogleg to make she kite on nu Rodeg, you know.
August is fader an cuid Kurish dak Somali biog at all Cadahead. All like Cadahead, you know, and Count Biog and Count Francis Brennan and Glaber, August and Son Mala Scola, a word let. So, yeah. Cahan of to say Philip Valley Gita.
Atomic doll air on Octu new on Octu. Atomic dollar and new. Madden and new the V Minanolik Brunner, yeah. So yeah, tall like reading week new study week an Chapton Shin. So Curse Kesh there and Kalashta and Faderlum Dol a wale like Riv and reading week August Faderlum and Screw Do a Yana Verlina and son. So yeah, Librik Mac Anava. So just thought like Shockton is a reshagum like thought just Anaquid Tashtil Igesh. So just bevralum just, you know, to make the most out of it. There, you know. Cause Togan Shay like beg me Tashtil or like if I like law nu Rodegant, you know. Cause on Etel to gum o Gadian goes to her August and son gum Lockley so
August and son Lockley go Kirky.
Yeah. Well Tom make so Tom like Chiluk mo here Lockley so Tom make law and August and son Tom make Etel go Sassane mar tá ma bhuacail ann. So agus con cúpla lá a caithh ann agus arasca gurcaigh an san. But like bhrálam just an taistil like an taistil ar fad a dhéanamh gur istigh cúpla lá agus, you know, beg sé déanta gom an san agus beg ma gom sa bhile agus, you know, beg mé na scéalaigh an san. So sin an scéal, but tá ag dul anna lua.
But Tom actually ig fágáil Tom ig fille valley is kid fille a valley so Tom ig dul an ig gemacht there an talk to diog ig dul gedi Toronto gur Kira law until ig fágáil Toronto an dar law diog agus ig fille Aaron agus unson Tom ig fille her nash an shoe law dinner and
little Cana Cecily.
All right. Well, she good as mar being she hauling is clean of Norvis Montana the Dina Lomer and National Dol her Nash and you know what we should yes or fat. Agus Sean fall to her dash because you
VS an si chlos an tam fallach VS 6 classá time shit ag fill a vile an éanú ládiag ach be me láliam glichéan Martin an time ládiag. Isaac fille an son me anid an coig lá so an lá roibse. Cat fu G céim lá make us ag tach nash.
An caharú lá, so ag fágant mlochlia caharú agus beg me her. Oh no, sorry, beg me her nash an caharú. Time ag fágant like ilora an lénu radegant agus beg me an sa ag dehead clog. Because like leis an difriach damas le héid you know she take obviously take here. But beg me an sa ag like de an an gaharú radegant. So yeah, tá sé go bra. Yes, yeah, ivad níos fear. Beg an ceannig dolawale yeah, gahannes níle meg tanú leis an cean sin. Actually, tá meg caithig mé tá etalt an céad etalt gom ag seachtalog maden like an ochtu an neo an ochtu nílam céad fan gé cinnta fin sin caithig mé fécintar sin but Tom confanacht like inacha leis an airfort an ihe rivré maar like leis an snachta koman sa beg sin co-jacker an orasán agant ag like trí nu cahar clog maden so le chorus siomre óstáin in áthe yeah so beg me winning wick an ihe sin just I'm like treat yourself you know riv an like Bronton is an like dumb hain so yeah Tommy tanúla sin but yeah just leis an snachta cos beg sé co-traum an sa goharathe maden so just bralam go meg gachra just yeah bralam just go meg gachra condol like just co-smooth agus bralam just you know maski elegant agus go meg me san airfort ag an am character gachra so yeah Tom confanacht dear an akalesh so actually full size kind of tanúla so links novels and stones so yeah Tom tanúla
John, hánig de 40 ar cuat cút. No vacation.
Tacht again go to Shafton so Catania ver an Delula. Big session tacht ed on neo la fihed. In Pula Anton Ronsa agus an Sunday tacht federal litigation.
Arrows, yes, fad. So big tweet.
Just doch gumrischen chefis what is stuff. Vi sera okay kan vi gidi an lag an son ma session and law and chairman doch gumrischen session so big chance are like Shafton agus an son bemi dig fill ar rancho like coup law le chéle agus an son no big session gemacht gehelen bed like tacht an so.
Arrows.
Yeah. Very good.
An rev sé riamh i Canada Sean.
Ní raibh sé riamh i Canada ní raibh sé riamh America an chéadúirtá in America hoig so starting go meg culture shock heis ag to get an raibh sé last month an or ní dóil mé so tá masúil go mór leis sin chuna chuir timppla agus a dócha go bhfuil choramach réún go mar láite is agus bhí a Toronto dócha ar feid go lá Anton so choramach réún go mar sin chomá so big cracking agus gan out big on British art term a gum set like shackle díroch ag an gian agus tá cúpla seachtain sé get on obair so tá sé sé breach go húntaach táúla se
Arrows agus inis man
Níl tá sé haneis I go déna gaí ar an mítí agus tá sé go ri mar
Arrows broader man tone gablis gel
to all right bis dir no big G an so am gan le more
yeah big tá seachtain sé gom on ober koma yeah near hogus fin ara go meg sé gom so just I think go heachtain nu trí seachtain o hin chus seachtain an áirithe in Niagara lemme vocal tá sé contract go Toronto coming bula ann agus an but níl like annacuid leihin to sira fós fáca leis nober so Tom an san con bula le Carolum in Toronto tá si con etalt an sa agus then Tom con bula le na lads in Toronto so tá meg tanú lei sin yeah tour gom le Anton agus tá carmac go ar an oig goma Sean like an pintas out there
ní chomá a go chuig Anton agus tá dros an direction gom se leis so be me se caiit chomá
agus be cinnta vís lewer léfé a réir tíise beg pa I breú a chá léir a chuisteachar an so beg sin so
Yes, cause vies sarang kena lay like psychology vi sa bli an kena so tá mig tanule eskent cause lanam Instagram so like Tom like up to date Lena Hale but Lena Sale but coming to new lay just a eskent reach you know so clear codas
oh my gosh sorry man
yeah absolutely you know agus is even lom like well vies anavor do you know on Beidir will ahna with Roshi mi Canada vi si an or Fulbright goblin o hin like vi ske an scale gra revik lena vocal Anna Congrap don count a revik Claire agus pa bhúil siad in Montana agus gacrad so yeah dingsing on Roisin on scale fadum so cap is great just go hauling agus vog siad go Canada agus just yeah but tamig nu le eskent reach
Kinsey,
Caration
Ní féidir tú close, sorry.
Never. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we got
yeah
in.
it's fair yeah
Laura Gamal. Húshagan, dus de dine geleid again Fulbright Puntrish, Boodle and Winter, Montana Húshagan, so Tussa Cecily, Janie Lewis,
Oh, yeah.
with an egg tell Anton.
Darrow Queeve is though.
Darrow Queeve and Leona. That's
Should
it.
it? No, so look larger Montana. You let you grog up so though, or not?
Is Mala Montana like Inyo Gurkig a whore down coma because like Tom blast shinnig trailer
Shinny.
yeah far more for here
Yeah, agus fé choring inis an cahar her key.
this is innovation yeah
Oh yeah. Cormaster che Gurkig Garish Gita. Sorry, brain fog is not or
major Yokologs manager in the current
Oh yeah.
Like Shobala Anna Viog but Ladies Bridge Congress
Ladies Bridge yeah
so yeah Neil well thought to be law Aquil yeah again
Oh and Rev Tugin Galore
yeah
Arrows on go lehenne go to pamphlet Michelle agus Aileen pamphlet in Rohan
anquid pamphlets so Aileen agus Garian dinelle
Michelle so vi Michelle pamphlets san old school lumpsa tá play school gon móhar agus tá beauticians
oh yes yeah tá a gum well Neil a hana vor a gum arhu but like 3 diniela yeah tá na hana
so tá no gummer and drone son orange in rock the scoop but vi goelge ladies bridge near she cluster gum no lish in the blian
yeah because I think Imrian mayad golf le dinner egg and dinner pamphlets but like na pamphlets shin but yeah Neil tá just na hanam na rolas agam
agus the Vunis is St. Coleman's in managed in the corner fight
so
Operation Arish
agus vitu the Coney in Manchester na current
the V agus is stoke dressel to say air skull na Galini
yes yeah bor an connect on son
so Sibu
like Rev Fulbright and Rev 2 in Coachford
no Dumont V Dun Menway
okay
Tomer Soscarama o Dumont Vianish
yeah so tá the first Bowen fo sound dish Nora here Garnash class
so yeah tá sé go brand no ni fém goran gus Lydia so crack in
and we screenshot of while doing actually we share them air just because finish of Graham now they're going to see on me. I'll give you a warning anyway. Right. I'm just going to screenshot of Hogan's we can be like Tram Quirky, whatever. I'm thinking LinkedIn needs to each, I should go on the queen of our LinkedIn, Jesus Christ. Honestly, my most used social media, Lively in the nose. Right, so say she's. Right, Tormek or Togamek on the one LMR near precision, basically. Right, okay. Okay, third time lucky. I have it this time. Is dóidm. Anna, yeah. Right, okay.
Sé gair turca.
Even fad. So bhála me son agus chuir mé roi chuúbe.
Oh yeah, gur míle Anton.
And on the Thanksgiving vegan go give in
Oh, the V.
Yeah,
vegan Thanksgiving now I was reared Cecily when it's on the hand of us.
Critic, yeah, agus nuair a danamar lo dan mé héin agus Carla Bhán le agus clear Carla mon Fulbright Yvonne on nolig Shikasha agus yeah on rod céine de bhí mar in our vegan ag fein cúpla lá agus Hendrik morning.
Bhí sé go húntaach agus seir an teanad bhíom sin á prátaí mar níor práta ceart gom le chuig seachtainna so bhís harvest the roasty stuffing na héanrad.
Yes, fad. Agus bhí lá únta go goibh Niagara de réir dalrih.
Had doing mehe Sean stoffa.
Picture no sound marger shit.
Okay, bro. No bhí an na lágaing agus bhí mar ban leis naimsir mar bhí sé lufar fe seachtainna. Agus mar bhí sé go híhann ar hána gan sa agus like really 10 a bhí sé dahad céim caiicí shribh san ní bhein an go sinach. Bhí sé gidast ar hána mis a hartar trúpa céim. Agus an son is so go trééis beidir trí seachtain in na mar sin bhí sé lufa anna luch ar faúpla lá anna réifar agus an son hána seán agus ní raibh scamal ar facuig lá agus bhí sé leor. Ach déirting bhí sé beánín ro ó don Niagara don mád ach ar éon chuma bhíling ach bhí mar fluch go crackin ar an lád nach ar facuig or click déirting. Mar bhí na jeans tá avoid kind of chove, you know. So honestly, bhí sé lufa ach bhí analog.
Bhí disaster amachchas amach.
Oh, dhéana sé agus tú an sa Cecily, yeah?
Yeah, dhéana sé nolig nirig le Yvonne an uair son. Agus beidir go déananig mé rí sé an léana, nó ní bhíon an trus bód ag am na nolig mar stoppen sé mí na sauna. So you know what we know alling thought is microclimate on sun in Niagara give me in the bow boy on red bow bosh down on last time yeah give me and she down like on Tumblr in Orira August being on I'm sure Anava on sun so countess the Latoria town so it's South Niagara though so we share rog with a neon erod sun a cup so yeah when it's on a hand of us so better go right me Rish agus skinning me and trust boss Rish Kid dollar number they can solution and you know what big sugar des
Ian Bulty goibh de Niagara Tá mí ag dole an míis coi
Operation Rish
Brunner an William size Vulti or ein size multi a goibh le haig Niagara Tá mí ag dul an míis going so an multi
Well, on molla is fair dar lumpse, ma tá se vi gere glúsán a chur kies, ma current glúsán kies fegan le níle, like is féidir let an lá geléir a cahabam, ach nuair a hen tú leis na cóleg die bus seo, bí an tréf se ama orthe gut, agus an bí anna cuid rudí sa bhreis chuir stacha, so like an lá sin bumar gotí gort fianna, and like sure ní raibh sim dá leid going sa gort fianna seo, but obviously the Kangol Adderhu, you know what I mean? So she a gumsa. No, kundol leis na call the boss mar obviously Neil conclusion occur case Lemhedig. But she no mola mat the egin sauce the tastel August tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, I think ní Tom size borthe tamont an sa ag daring go meg Michael Gabrack an tamont an sa smallish an right inside rudchin so ceapam go memid con ceanna a all ar keys ag an airport agus just dodal go Toronto cos nílach an deire seachtainna a going so just con an size navsblockus a bheith going agus ní you know fethe ver busna cos nílach go ihe a going agus like law one lawn so yeah I'd say Tommy con ceanna all so yeah actually so is mul anava Asian so yeah during
Agus is féidir le dul godi an ballin Niagara an sun freshen mar ní acamar godi what is it Niagara on the Falls nu
yeah Niagara on the Falls cap beta grill alles ní smallas ag na lads but cloisiom go sig go hauling Niagara on the Falls
even be an atmosphere around the casinos agus rudi cosúla sin. So yeah, sin an mulle má tá glúán is féidir a Hogan agus é a Forcán agus Chachtarneis agus an médam agus like má tá I'm sure godonna beige go glánig sé umprach nóna nó vice versa. Do you know what I mean? Sin an mulle go gumsa.
Yeah.
En ní gáin ru de chur an áhint na ire mar fórdas an mulle san ó charlumm nó a há marne mar doná chu an daine gachrod náhint a forsí an mulle ó charléhe a hása le hochtléan an rodégan she was like no back scams vi an dun good is smó so just tear around current train in order to commission a hogan and train la all of rent come
okay go bra
sorry vi ma love an orden son tree him
you know it's been that yeah, just not back, just tear down. Agus, I mean, you're more nach if after faculty no much the dollar amount, Michigan, so we should go. Agus being cafe hector.
Ton say source size heart now anyway. Nor comer and or shin on nullag. You're have ended out Comer Green Skyland and Tour Skyland agus near have ended out. So on Scott of young Condolo, Marvisha Co Qin.
Oh, class. Okay, Intuk. Yeah, Derry. Yeah, I'd say Beta go and say so Creek na ha. Like Tommy $1 and Gaharu law, could and shoe law. So I'd say Derry can make she Creek na ha. But Shinga Bra, like Tom Lawn Sauce and Beta Gamyuk she and Nias Kuan and San. Sean Kestering the chat on San Planina Tashtel Elle a Gwiv Dundley and a William Planina Elle a Gwiv.
Well, Tom dog DC and Visha going ach Shinuntain with the haw. In stone fé mar DC.
Oh BC
no DC down Belka.
DC Gabliski
DC Omston or BC
yeah arrows Tommy Finn agus morning I year no tá morning dul go Mexico e mi fiora so fiokig me an HLT Black Friday ki me si cadé an crack Mat an hechen chi ma ride me mon bhfuil ní roid. Tá mé féin agus mór an ag dolig tastel I mi bealta so Jeremy Brown tús mi bealta ag dul gidi California.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So yeah, the enmer trust in nirig goodie the Maritimes and son in Ekalifsha in Ekaletse Sean and son. Agus vi anna haim going. So yeah, Níl rud no, but like yeah, she known rod the top but Níl was current or hen fac.
Tom ag dulga Hawaii ag an láthir me mi fiara. So like VSA fakentir na hetalty ó Edmonton agus tá keen díracha ann. So like ní bheocan cheansa gom like tradition like amach seo, you know Hawaii a dhéanamh like just tá sé ro ada ó baile so Tommy dig dul fag seachtainna agus Tommy tanú leis really Tommy tanú leis just agus comá like beg sé or beg sé go hanis an sa mi fiara beg sé like
beg sé go hanish
beg sé go hanis so just an chas a bheit gom fag seachtainna Tommy tanú leis sin you know agus ceapam go meg me chun Rockies a dhéanamh ag deireann na bliana Tommy Hishmahori agus ceapam beidir go meg cúpla duna chalíní ag teach go más so just like níl amach like 3 euro clig óna sléata an sa so beidir go déanam trosnú go gotí bandnú nor a hám an sa beg sé dastó chun you know cúpla duna a bheitthe gom chun dul but níl sé 3 euro clig ón áit an sa so beg sé sin go bra you know féidirling é sin dhéanamh you know harithe nó rudigant
Sin é. Yeah, bhfuil sé mar planning group fannacht like so be mid Clear Creek na mi a braun cahan na bhfuil dína gur ag fannacht nó ag gemacht nú cad bhfuil dína cappa.
Neither Grisha says to be honest, Bronner Grisha is stocha Beg le fishkin, like maha rodegant to the roig, ekbale, nu maha, got imagined I'm a post down them rodegant, obviously being sort agrihivale, like, ni doiding beg a dower in our ida, Maxig fechant an an lager snore fell off like some tree and will shadol ni doilum big dal roig on being showing in air and so very band if I hamel agus is stoke gilan on conra roig so di like lord being about ke make creach go make two sabroin so I mean yeah think nachten so if I could who side more like launch pad le dal could fly television
yeah Kinte oh Seans go méid mo runna chéim arsúla mí abrán agus mátá right mé bhile dó sin ó nílam cinnte cadí an scéile an blion scoing leis an goláiste agus gacrad but cíag mé cadí an scéile sin but don saora tám chun taiste le anmh so tám críoch na ag tús mí abrán I'd say big ceartúáin le déanamh mí abrán but tá na rang na críoch na san so Tom can be going tashlian of timpelansa just tá dine ag chachto bale so godina sléta agus ag dul tá Carolom in Vancouver so just kan couple law a chahaf le agus Tom an san kon dolge South Carolina tá Gran Antine o sin Gran Antine Chian Antine is doiglam ja Chian Antine tá Chian Antine gom agus tá si a gairi was the beginning near Shenna so bevalum trust hortley nor home just an tail so on Atlantic but there hing go meg doloale don Sarah just kon over a yan of beta yannick main a screw to hanny rodegant the superintending just kon beginning arrogate a hille but maha rodegant and sa thing sauce fanacht and sa but yeah there hing go meg begonin agad a rihan darig cos Tommy Dana van quid tastal an sa so me agad all san but yeah sure kiig me karin scale maka but I'd say raig me wala the done Sarah or the fort and Sarah new wedding
so is sto accord Tom with the creep I'd say so agus lige me den kidrom ella bula aroi so we should go hauling catch up just a bit going agus should me to come to reach the coon of day
Kinte
the enemy needs miniki
it shouldn't
agus beg me gan ke crinu ella beg me beg me Anna Lua first person there beg me an kiig me egan crinu sin
Long
live bye bye
Lisa an right an seo Adams ag mé na gweilge yeah that made I go mas too
cause conic made anam ag an dinner Fulbright a rev going in me mehev agus vi geri kind class but near honig mayor han ni sin but anyway kon a hot course in if they got scarad oh my
grand na fi tos ein a gofi no hen na vi no 3
no hen yeah vi ein fehe gri fe hen so a rin a pandemic vi yeah so yeah kon a hot course an kon a hon wrong in August
wow yeah just on a gnohawk like been really clarity with hammer pride with no touch magnate from in chofa she shocked miss Doka so one second for her yeah but no I know
Conic make to a Dana Rodrigan play Yukon in a rare new Rodrigan
yeah the Mother Shields an Irish American Home Society talk car agam for she a Yukon Muna full brace ella
oh class Warren Nana
Marina V to catch it, yeah. Does she feel saying that she done a PhD? So does she feel saying
oh, sorry, Shin on Rod. Yeah. Agus Conasahon wrong leshan Bronum say beta will anaquid Teresh chucked an relation. Neelam now a organ, Neelam can to cut a hard Carla. But Conasah wrong leshan ICC.
I come out the keep block you and show by the chuck and show. Yeah, better What's for the phone?
No, Tom there an iPad, but Neil and like Ian Rod of Rue and so just Neil Ian Rod like over. So Bader need now the participants eshkent. 1 second now.
Well,
and will she
you can view Aaron TVS no.
Aaron TVS. Yeah, Tom like ag brew Aaron like close webinar chat. Hold on. Yeah, Tom. Also to John and Denise, Ellen, George. Yeah, the Anna could do it.
Consa tatu.
Come on.
Good. Yeah.
Anna va, tá sé cód as it's great to see.
That's the fake too.
Anna va. So Conas a ha ear her Massachusetts. How's Western Mass? Conas a ha sé?
Oh, tá sé go Holland anish fan na kran aru they gahana orasta we gorum.
Is Amshire furfa
Tá 4 round codas, tá na deloiga codas, the nandahana, the colours is gakra, tá si go hauling am.
Agus cawil tú anish, Gila.
Tá me I Canada.
Oh, Canada. In Canada.
Alberta. In Alberta.
Oh, Edmonton.
Yeah. So Tom ag Muna na Gaelga. Tom, I'm teaching Irish and sa in Canada. So Tom ag Muna in Ulster, Alberta, or the University of Alberta.
Comhrá and Malat.
Wow, mahu.
Yeah,
I was in Bantag like Ikoff, Gita, no.
Oh, yeah. So Tom on sa le Ikoff. Yeah, Shine Gadirach. So tá sé go mahan sa like tá I'm sure fós a going tá sé con Irie an or an so Níla meg tanúla sin so just Tom ag giri salt or can of windas and I'm sure nor há sé going an sa you know but yeah tá sé fós bra an sa agus tá an or codas in Chicopee
Tá yeah if you make tomorrow there you can Araska Chicopee nís liú but
an bhfuil tú tomorrow down bhfuil car go
ní a gomsa haig an chalí na Yukon sé bhád wen so tá sé an éasca you know
an bhfuil tú sa tí chéine an ceann
Tom yeah I say girl Bert Calini fós na Conia and peace agus nana or sheets nine agus ví tú
yes but the peace sound nor ra sound ach vi tá ahana gomer nana but ni ra goni le vi Calinella drabanam Yasmin an ag an arm but tá ahana gom nana Anna yes yeah
oh it's such a handy na caimera on a handy
oh wow yeah oh my gosh sure ní ha sé ach was trino mail con
yeah but Janet Jarmid or inrid you know where the fallach
oh yeah agus coma con dola wale ag or an loan is gakrod
actually yeah because even on Colin she fween to it you know that she kind of a bunk it's okay nomad con sugadi on campus own campus you know
yeah agus leor an gearig yeah and he has to go like on Rudson Yanov yeah níl sé ach I'd say denome dom shul goodie an kalashta on Lostein but yeah tá sé go bra in fairness tá Lostein go hauling so níl man an garan they so look squealig my idea of because tá planning a gwave but vi sé codas kind of a cordia oh my god it's so nice to see y'all
oh agus just a freshen
and yeah kinte sure hi Denise gonna say hard to Tom tutorial chuck Susie you're after coming up there
Anna girl my yeah
Intuk sure beg me kind flash a cordia an gé orella but buin tanavas an Comhrá an sa
Give me the just
yeah vi sé anias bulalat email agus maha ein kena go just
keep boy me lata
oh yeah sure curadur mir Instagram agus just maha ein kena got no maha ein rud uit like an syllabus nu rud agent just you know aberlum tá na hafanní léir gom so Tom long so that you the right lat you know
think hall and really boy sin now
right and you're getting me deal slán live a corda vi sé
slán Slán víte.
Coffee should mad Nero sam go mioch sé an glé grown mad. Oh Tom Teréis tacht all just a raw an féidir le gach bin grúpa ghlacha leis an gur mar panelist. I will major fad have you all take the wee box to be mar panelist. Beidir gur walk to yeah just one wheel orientation yeah I think kind of mic usage you have to do that just so the mic can hear you. So the long go sin grand a got dinner. Well there to kind of thought to feck him here I guess Beth. Got one wrong or fall August again and show. Kind of so crazy live and yeah she been with Jassa rated air shocks and a father. Kind of saw two sources of been to be Regent agad led the hula. Did you get your eyes done lately? You were saying on Tacht and Chakacha.
On Tacht and Shokat, Decading. Better next time on let's see Oxockton. But I can still see.
TV var. Oh, Harry.
Cooey.
Oh. Oh, good.
I will to sort Sorsha. Will to Jane Tanisha. You done now at the Huda. No one will ain with Ella Jennifer. Is there anything else to do?
Yeah. Well, Rinya May. Cartus bow. Rinya May cartridges.
Oh, okay.
For Muscade.
Oh.
Beta Gawcade Anu.
Ready to Gawcade and you?
Yes. Ta.
Ring you to the cartridges?
Yeah. Today Anu. The British are coming. And then Hur snas ermo broga snasta.
Cartu snasta the broga snasta.
Okay.
Glance weird.
Take them.
Feelim Keita.
Hur snas ermo broga. I don't know what I don't know what the word for boots.
Bootishi.
Broga snasta. Shiny boots. In the military, it's spit shine.
Oh, take him. Okay.
So
V2, Anna can know how to do.
Gakla all day. So, hui make the Saturn Taunton Mass Liberty and Union celebration August we may Marlborough air ball later and dedication to revolutionaries.
Oh, August Khan of when was that on? You're on in
They
Union?
Saturn.
Oh, Jazz, right.
So,
right. And my more
I'm gonna know the next Bader Carher Shockton Veterans Day. So boom, a lot of boom.
Okay. And right was the glaze this the color. Were you dressed in the uniform, Marish?
Ta. When I don't know how to say it in Gaeilge, but when they had masses at the Elms, I used to wear my uniform to the mass on different occasions. So
August thought you can you said you wear it to keep it just the wrong enough.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you wish. Last Peter nolog.
An wrong there enough, Griff Nolan, the last class. Ítach. Why me dear fads the wrong and sin.
So hug it in ish, Sean.
Sin class. Coffee to all know hug. Danielle, we're jazz in you and lost there. Who's your friend Forrest Wayne Wood?
Oh, Misha?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Oh. Dave Gurja. Yeah.
Yes, question.
We unlock go Holland a new no? Not well.
Every class.
Yeah. Stockton Shahagan Hanig Manian Megan August Wakela Devon a court on shot in Southampton. He Vishay go Hintok Mai. We had Hanak O'Crickney, Egg Toggle on Crew Kapal, Sankri Ed Kulme chalked the ribbon cutting, but my Crew Kapal. August Demmer Wedge Clicky and Tylak Vishay Anspri. August Kuime Egg Chul Le Madra Kelly. It's Braham Bay Egg Chul Anish. Akran that's true. The trees all changing. The Dahana we Dereg Glass Orashta Dan Tashe Gohaman.
Oh, Kaimira.
On Malad Emmer.
Yeah, Tasha Eintach. If we got in a kind free on or and shop, everyone was talking about autumn and shop, but like could you get back into it until you see it, like me Captain to Keiko all in is a Tasha. Be me kind of Gita, I was talking to Gita, be me Yukon there, egg on Dara Shachtana. Went up to Yukon, but there be Mishag Olawalia. I was coming back today. We should co jazz like they can down a Grinner Fall down a Bovra. Lovely see all trees, just go hauling. So yeah, really, really jazz now. Me Captain Goyle, she co jazz in Ireland. I don't think it's that nice in Ireland now. I thought she really you feel honored, excited to be here. Do you know what's around on ribbon cutting, John? Whereabouts was the ribbon cutting? A V2 across there.
Oh, the ribbon cutting the in Naquil Irkul Machakt.
Oh,
yeah. The may egg tuggle on crew kapal. Crickney kapal anish. August so we had the ribbon cutting. August clicka de Tylok. He demo with crew couple broga.
On what is crew couple? What did you build?
Yeah, hug to horseshoe pit. Knockwill.
Yeah, Knockwill.
Yeah.
Get out selling. Yeah. Crew couple is horseshoe pit. August demo with couple broga. We played horseshoe.
Hey, Captain Goyle and Clay shit on Clay it's game. Like can't
Todd. That's
I was cool as Ivory and Shay. How does it work?
The answer. So they take the horseshoe, the bro couple, August Kame and crew couple, and there's a stake in the ground.
Oh.
And if you get it around the stake, that's 3 punta.
Oh,
If it-
Higgin. Okay.
Yeah, if it leans against the stake, ga punta. And if it's within one horseshoe of the stake, it's punta a hain.
Agus
Hey, Tasha,
John, did you win?
ta.
You should say ta Kinta, of course.
But
Keve Punta.
Keve punta.
O'Hara
Yeah.
Chak, especially
Oh,
at your house.
Ovime the 3 punta.
Whoa.
3 punta. Nive yeshi. It wasn't fixed.
There was no cheating.
Yeah.
No cheating.
Cool. I say great honest for you. And right more and I'll give shit gimmers. Was there many of you playing?
Let's see. Misha, Maureen, my Van Killa, August, Megan, Manian, August, Devon, my Wakila, August, my Madra Kelly, Vishay Anshin Ak, Ni Demar Kelly.
You were low character. Thank you.
No, and Fader le on wrong ag chat
Oh,
Be me sé swinine an bud chéine Ellen.
oh, Keensha, meal falcho road.
okay.
We could have a class tournament.
Yeah, bhí sé sin an yeah.
Yeah.
Great, me sin ar an syllabus. I'll put that in the syllabus so.
There you go.
Oh, agus could me cuppa a trophy de Maureen.
For two trophy. You got one.
Trophy, yeah.
Oh, Colin.
Er
Cheers, we sin an bhil.
van fair on trophy?
Keisha, yeah, but Robin.
Okay, come on, let's scale fun, no me.
Oh,
And Imre Shipsha and Claire Shin Rios. Yeah, peace.
Yeah.
dimmer.
No.
Yeah. No, ní ceapan gur animation Hannah a horbe. Mí agaman bhfuil sé popular in Éireann. Ein crack I was méid tusa gnóach an tata chakacha, right?
Cui me hig pop-up Gaeltacht I Sterling, Massachusetts.
Oh, cyn oed na bhfuil sé na Sterling.
Ardanga Fein Darbanam an grúpa.
Okay, níl si ar an ní ceapan
Yeah,
méid.
so bhí sé anjas and thug sé seans dom Carja ó Boston eáil aríis.
Oh, jazz.
Fecum iad de gná ag an closin a rinne sa saora. So hannig mé Kathleen on.
Oh, jazz.
Yeah, she was there. So yeah, bhí sé anjas.
Yeah, sin cool. Bhí me swin of actually pop up agri. Beidir Jaron na mísa seo san ICC. As me swin if sé nu. An mí sib sé séir ar an ina mar Pamela, nowhere in Sarah, no Kane law, Irene Deep, she could generalta. What day suits ye? Don't kid just mo. Been more in entirely live Shabaja Ernina, few Jaren and Misa at the end of the month.
Yeah, Magalore. Good enough.
Yeah, no, Tom.
Cargalore.
We know me if we should anyway. If it makes me if it should just, you know, like Ike Hauna, we just couldn't run the end of. Surely Mary fussed the mockery no, so now we're all let you know. Near trainer Jasta, we're there shafting knowing you.
Well, Misha, Bime agus Markela ag rochiacht de Sahran, tri an tua. is Sunderland agus Montague agus Vishay Gahalan fad. Ach Vrish an Roher Markela Igjera an Turis Marshin Kahishe eg Kahishe Roher Ella Akana Anish.
Oh, Toshe Brista.
Oh yeah. It just fell apart. I mean, it broke. The metal broke, not just the chain falling off. Vishay.
Strange.
Very strange. Ach.
Agus on Shan Rohare. Is it old on Rohare? No,
Oh,
just hard to say.
Yeah. Kianamwid Iad. Oh, Fiha Blian. Oh, hen. Yeah.
Agus on Row Air Shula Rash and Shin. Did he have to walk back and Shin Harvey and Rohare Brista? No.
No, VR. No,
VR.
VR. Agen Mar Viamar Air on Jerry na Taurus. Okay. Yeah, we're right at the end of the ride.
Okay.
Nura Harla Shay. So yeah, VR'd more.
Yeah. God, nation jazz. John, if I could one August, I see the trophy. Oh.
All right.
I hope you all Nervugtu. Did you give a speech Nervugtu?
In Sawan, me Shahagan, Han Raki Bridge, no, Magavik, Han and Shah, Babe Wedge tournament Tylock with Magavik. Agus is Malo Gomor Clicker Magavik. Owen Agus Andy. Be anspree on.
I'd say Garay, yeah, because I'm cornching Gaholan. Cup is lovely. I think we'll pride a place, Aga, to show Mercy. Does it have pride a place in the sitting room in it?
Right. This was the bug oscope. This was the soft opening. I guess me Shahagan they on darker opening, the real hard opening with my grandsons.
I can't smell the bigger one.
Emer ta scale agam.
Wow.
Scrive she's little
yeah.
I mean, sorry, but so near inish to den fui on scale kalul bantruck la dawala garbanam ardi ak dulam me a rang zoom fui star kadilu.
Oh, God.
Is scale sha could din scale kalul ton bakolan konya.
Oh, yeah, Tonbo cool, yeah, cool, yeah.
Ta is scale sha could din skull shin. Agus ina shape we ka more itter on leak alad kuhulan agus fair darab anam ferdia. Vi ferdia agus kuhulan der haraka altrama Foster Brothers. Marshin ni rao agiri kuhulan trid lesh ak hashe eayenev. Fuieri vi kuhulan and Wichor, the winner, Arnoe, nuar wari she ferdia. Rud ofasak aga agus tragadach. An sin dumper go chullen an corp de ferdia trasna na hawan. A glary a yes to show his respect. Is anam a hot sha bali aha irdia nu RD.
Sinné Anwa, yeah, character fat August.
Scale.
Ní lyric man scale sin. I never actually said that one. You should honestly me the statue all in. So statue all in.
Statue alone.
And walk it through, yeah, I say walk it through. Cahi me hashbon Steve Shellis the wrong. Tush go hall and tush on a more, you know, an achalesh on an iron, but tush on a himu and scale shin.
And scale and kalu.
Oh, can zoom if he shin Deirdre.
See, ta zoom the Sean Murphy. Agus Dinish me fui Winshore Dusha Condelu. Agus is Falcha Riv Drasta.
Oh, ik zie shit, maar kan a bhíonn sé ar siúil?
Ike derdien séchlog.
Agus an mín sé siúil gach seachtain nó or sa bhí?
Me Jerry Four. Me Jerry Four. Andara Vian Andara rang be an Shachtan Shahagan.
Okay, Erishaclog.
Okay,
Spade
I'll send you.
Yeah, show me too. Yeah, or show me.
Yeah. Okay, show me.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Agus on Yenin sheet Zoom ona her kundaha eggsula gach shachten. Is it different counties?
No, Neil. Ta in Condia wine or me.
Oh, take him. Okay. That's shit on a simul. I guess on rice sheets and a kind we doing dalgan no drehedoha. Did they mention Dundalk or Drogheda?
Neil, Vian Ron Kayan fui na skelta traditionta.
Take him on Minnesota.
For more or less. I don't remember.
Neil, the Shimulu. It's not them shin now. I mean more in Diniak and wrong.
Neil Cara or quick dinner.
August tree Berla no tree Gaelga.
Tree Berla.
Oh, handy. Okay.
Tree Berla.
But should I know August on us Aaron on fire shin Sean Murphy on that.
And dus is Dublin is the Balachia or dus or
Ogushak. Ogukase.
Ogukase. Vi sé in a choni Cape Cod fiche blinta.
Okay. Shin jazz. Yeah, no, but Thomas there now, but while I'm tree Lawancha saying Ashin, I'd like to give that a go. To fix answer moon. It's even log animaka. Just on a himu nach will. It's like the scale to a one and low. Takupa just na hanamaka heart on show. On the Native Americans. Well, I'm character roy shin, Chicopee agus keep just in the balcha heart. Heart or not show. Their Native American names, keep it just a look animaka and show a Chicopee agus Massachusetts.
Okay.
Being Dini contribution now.
Chicopee is like running water.
Oh, and the shin simul. Where Yale Aaron Hart and Shaw and well. The river around here in Otagon.
In Connecticut.
Yes, actually. Go walking me shin. Yeah, so on a war. Yeah. Yeah, Captain Connick me shin a goal Yukon or one over Legan. Barbara Connor's thought you, Victor Castle, Nyaka Mahula Fada.
Oh, Tamé go mai. Vi mo tourists anway. Hannig me mo walk in California. Agus mar olas agaf. Hui mar on train. O Chicago go Sacramento. Agus vi on train vi Tempesta in Nebraska. Agus bui on train car on track. Agus vi triabloj color. Agus vi on train or is no Shejig or Gomal. They're 16 hours late.
Agus an bheith si ar an drain nar hála sé.
Vi mar ar an train o Tranona de Lewin go Majan Jardine. So August tri on schedule, Durer on schedule. Ved me Sacramento Tranona de Cajun. Ach Vimar mal.
Oh me.
Yeah. Tarish on train V on tourist anway mar via mar limawak. Agus Tashe an jas agus avan Kayla agus Huamar Dojinier agus Exulioj agus Goji Irsmalan agus Sivi and Anjas.
Yeah, but Ralum dul go California now to sin mo a bucket list agus me America take well she class. It's lovely out there. Agus Kane train a word to is Amtrak no.
Amtrak, yeah. The California Zephyr.
Yeah.
We Agus Tan she treat the Rockies, Agus the Sierra Nevada.
Okay.
Agus are on schedule is Fager lat Nashlifta a Echo.
Oh God.
Huamar treat Nashlifta Samanicha.
Okay, so we should go
Niaka me Nashlifta Corbe.
I'd say that I'm not miss all to Ishin all of Springfield on Union Station out on train shin.
To Amtrak, Tain on Amtrak tree Springfield.
Okay, Agus Keiko wide is a hogak she. How long would it take with Springfield? I'm yochis agav she.
California.
Yeah.
Well, Worcester, maybe from Worcester. You have to
Worcester. I'm yochis these far and better.
Yeah.
Okay.
But Barbara Takeshtagum. Barbara Erkui to Museo they train in San Sacramento.
Museo.
East Milan. East Milan, not well.
East Milan.
Yeah.
East Milan Museum.
Yeah, Museo.
Yeah. Lower to Spanish. Yeah.
Need Spanish agam.
But go to Mahagut Ellen. Muchísimas gracias.
De nada.
An air salon they train
Here's Milan.
in Sacramento. Tashe go Holland and Simone. They have trained they Fado with the steam, the old steam trains.
Oh yeah.
And that shows the progression, you know, each generation got fancier. Oh, August, Conasadir notice. Did you notice?
Hug to Fujara.
Yeah, it hooked to Jara. The trains, they California, August, Chicago, August, Nebraska. The sheer Nice Maud na trains on Shaw in the east. Conasadir east.
In Ear.
And Earhart. So the trains are bigger once you get past Chicago.
Oh.
Nice Ada, Nice Fudge.
Nice Fudge, longer,
Nice,
yeah. Yeah, longer. August, Nice Mo. They're also bigger and more roomy because the bridges in the east are narrower. So the trains adjusted to the bridges in the east. And once you get past the Midwest, the bridges are bigger and the trains are bigger.
Tana consider na tracks.
Yeah. Catch
yeah.
And will the tracks on Cana? Are the tracks the same?
Yes.
Yeah.
The tracks are Cana. Yeah, Keisha, because we, Kuime taught us Kerablian, Ohen, de Springfield, Sacramento, Freshen, Eviche, Ansimo. But once you pass the Midwest, trains on Nice Mo.
An Athru train? An Yahitu O train Goji train Ella?
Kui made Springfield at Chicago. Chicago could be Washington. Washington could be Sacramento. Atrás Colorado, Wyoming, Chicago. Chicago could be Springfield. Three Shaktana.
And Wakatu na Schliefte on train?
The Schliefte.
So talk Keshtagan Barbara Freshen.
Yeah.
Honig to Arash ga Vermont train new Etlon.
Etlon.
Yeah.
Vishay and plan. Plan.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. Agus vi me dul Awalia Agus ni train wem.
Okay.
Train wem. Vi an tourist anwai Agus be an Triblodge leis an train. So cuddle to goma? Cuddle to goma? Cuddle. The Shomra an biog agin met. Agus Dathri na sieve the seats go laba sanisha. Agus vishe an compordach. Agus ag vi bunk beds, right? The lava is so agus lava ella an arch. Agus so hui mar kela in our arch. And me and lava is so.
Dresto me or awan train freshen or Chicago go Washington train got iha Lemore Kayla agus coral me Suis up top. Lighter person goes up top. Okay. Cap me Garevshe galore sitting, a lot of sitting, right? So much sitting. How do you say that? Too much sitting.
The heel, a father, or an umberka. Too much. An umberka.
Imerka. Yeah, how would you say that? Imerka.
An umberka alma the he. Too much time sitting.
Yeah.
Yeah, in team.
I guess I'm willing to able to shoot serious like a she is on throne. Can you walk up and down? Oh yeah.
Oh, ta. We may egg show it got law in the train. The whole train and the viewing cars, the cars that are here. I guess the train, the cafe.
Ni observation car again air train.
Oh,
freshen.
Oh,
5 Ella on train.
yeah. Oh, it's Bralham, the observation train. Yeah.
Kadishin now just show me along let win yoga con faking the mach.
Yeah, fin yoga.
Right, okay.
Tan Bia on train go my. Bia go my.
Galore Bia.
Galore Bia.
Yeah.
How much Arish?
Barbara?
Yeah.
Shorsha, I had a small question. On Wakatu Buakobo, August Robley train bank.
Ni bohubo ni akame. Hanik me couple as snagort. Hanik me the Bonneville Flats. We say on flat, August on bon, just white flat. Vi sé an compordach an train ach bawailam na slífte a echo an Beiger rachi me arish an train.
Naki tú an train go California Riv.
Ni vi an Kedla Kedor vi okheid specialta mar vi mar posta quega blina agus vi an celebration, right? Specialty.
Yeah.
So,
Congratulations, Barbara.
Go my good. So vi brontonus o erwach an tourist.
Oh, an jazz. An race California la fada, as you've been there a while.
Ni Gablina. Agus Bawailam Vogue sé Arash go Vermont.
Yeah. I should be Sparny Sayska. Gonna beg the Lord train.
Tasha an Ada. Tasha ro Ada. Tasha seal ege. Tasha seal ege in California.
There you go, yeah. That's cool now.
Yeah. So Shane Mushkel. Tame Arash.
Oh, come on, yeah. I can do a talk yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Denise, will banish a chocolate shock. You have a wedding coming up. Will Carter the Roy Shin? Cohan and Winchill at Torley.
They saw her.
They saw her, sure.
Yeah.
Oh, class.
They Mowak, Patrick, Le Felicia, Agilta. Yeah, they saw her. So, Beam Anagonohak, Tusco makeshift Le Prosa, Sahardin, and Shah Belchertown. So Beamid a Clanang Gardine agus a déanamh na Holavucan agus Tamoran rudi a déanamh.
Tá cínte ó mí.
Freisin tá mé bé mé ag déanamh bouquet le na brídóg. Brídóg is bride. Brídóg.
Brídóg sinné.
Brídóg. Agus na Calini. Na Calini. Calini.
Oh, na bridesmaids and sin an focail no na flower girl.
Cuidacta. Is that right?
Just na bridesmaids. Sin focail nu kom sin now.
Yeah, bridesmaids. Oh, you say bridesmaids. Yeah.
Bridesmaids.
So,
yeah, Colin co dacta. Yeah. Sin focail nu gom gur magus.
Yeah, yeah. So,
agus an bhfuil mór an acu, bhfuil mór an Calini co dacta aim.
Tá shocked, Colleen.
Doctor.
Yeah, shocked. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So, time it egsúil leis an vanish. An Hampshire, okay. An Hampshire, let's see. Bé an Hampshire goma greenwar.
Okay.
Biog 4. You know?
Okay, biog. An bhfuil Jean agah se, a root.
Yeah, they pobble
jazz.
Yeah, pobble more.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Keve Dini.
Kate Dina, I think.
By sin gan óhach. Jesus. Níl lemonade.
Yeah. Tough big farm acu. Le couple agus chickens.
Chickeny, yeah.
Yeah, so they banish rustic on.
Okay. I think you agus an bhfuil tusa ag denmh an bí nó an by caters ag tap the shop.
Oh God, no. They caterer on. They caterer on. DJ. Bartenders. Yeah.
Gachroad, oh cool. Okay. Fik sin an all in our fraud now.
So this are sure.
Okay. Actually, Carriage, solo Jenny McJarmid. I'm not able to picture a horse doing your fad before I forget. Make sure all right. If I take a quick picture before I forget. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So true. Impact because Jenny McJarmid is sin agus ní bhaid se agam then. Let's kind of talk to you right my kind lads there Corba. I wasn't chatting to you yet. Ain't scale.
Tommy as a geist of listening. It's fine. Is small Barbara's Torres.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nora Vime Irino Tiaman go Reno Godi San Francisco. So Beckham on Schleifte. Alon. Yes. Nora Avime how do you say visit? My sister moved for
Fishy in our court, yeah.
Of course. Viamar on train. Reno, go to San Francisco. So yeah. So Tashe go Holland. And that and stuff. So I guess and Shakan Sakacha who may go di Imain the Madrafur. So yeah. Tashe Anwa. Very nice.
Yeah, hula meg will go hall and name. The Galordini account fui main. Thomas agus an Colleen the Fulbrighter Ella a Yukon, but Thomas explain if we dull hig Ochig and every Thanksgiving. Bhí muid ag swinoine faoi Vermont actually. Agus thart ar an
Culture
Austin.
Road.
Yeah, no capan because bhí gatain ag caint faoi bhí mé chur ceist ar cípatíine, an a jaas chun dul like tuiste ar fád a caint faoi Vermont, so sean an go baim main. Tá cara agam is altri tá si gobar flor bo hu si go tá osscoil i Vermont bud am ceartrá sin.
Osscoil in Burlington, Vermont.
Beach ar an céim sin, yeah. Yeah, bhí si am, so bhí me kaint léhi fao sin. Bhí me léhi ag an ra shift an Irish American Hope Society Hannah ag Glastonbury.
Oh, yeah.
Glastonbury.
Yeah, right. Tá onid cosúla cultúrlan the Irish American Society, but bhí mis an ar an dónach bhí dinner ann, retirees dinner ar an dónach. Bhí se cála na. Bhí hart ar cé daoine ann. Daoine airnach, tháinig siad go Americaid sé na chuigetí nó na seacadí. Bhí se cála. Ní raibh sibh se an Hannah. Any of you there before? No, ní raibh tá se jazz now. Bhín think bhín daois ar siúlach a gach teachtain agus session ceol cosú leis an John Boyle O'Reilly nó an ICC. Tá bhfuil an daois arrá an teachtain se thugan Mary nó Beth, féidir bhfuil is acu.
No, Neil.
Yeah.
Ní an teachtain seo.
An seachtain se thugan.
Oh, Ian, okay.
Yeah.
Sin jazz. Tá cara actually ag tacht tá cara lom ag tacht ó éireann ag caiiciise an cuairt a hort so tám chuní í a thógáil inne go dtí an daoise. Ba duine eile aganine.
Magdalor, so yeah, enough.
Bhí sé sin má. An ra sibse ag an daoise sin an John Boyle O'Reilly Hannah? No. Tá sé ionintach caiithim rá. Tá Jack ar agan nó trí gan ag tá sé máth ná, slú mór aim. Bhí seir sé an Hannah ach ní rééis sé ag daoise. Caithí sé pí daoise dhéanamh dún an am se thugan. And my shim she did a jazz actually like e hauna any Halloween plans and show. And the engine were different.
Neil
No.
plan.
Agus tú hain?
Nílas agam. I know tá éachtaí ag tarlú le ha na fáistí san ICC ar an Saturn, I think it's on Neolás feha. Alína agus piece of scéliaach agus rudí mar sin. Agus by she, glaze to serious agus cockroach. I think by me own low, which Nílas agam now. I mean galore trick or treaters heart. Say go be in heart to watch in the
Rotten Shay an Amshire in Rotten Shay an Amshire, yeah.
Ní bhaid sé cruisnach de choú sin though an mai?
No. In Corbáistí later.
Immer tá ceistigam.
Well,
an bhfuil trick or treat in Éireann?
Tá, but like rahantir an áit, like tá mis sin macóní faoin tua, so ní bhín éon trick or treat is hard, like tá sé rogue orca, too dark, agus na bóhrí, like níl siad, she don't shock, but nice na balse, yeah. Bhín agus na tuí sna estates in housing estates, tá sé éasca just na pátí sin now, but nar bhí mis ní aci mé trick or treat nar chorbe. But now just na buclí marangsa ar school, the wee kids in my class like change their fud ag dog trick or treating is even low. I was like on maid sin milshawn na iron sheet. Mind the sweets to get. I was being cogally then giddy on school, law need sin. No, that's mom. Like we mentioned these ogani right off mask or August something like mall a bus briske. You have a bin bag on a mask. Shane agonish like costume all in egnaposti.
Cabam go bhfuil an seo I Chicopee tá kosher na Comhrá ann. Instead of dúir na ifigiúil gur níl is big an danseach go trick-or-treating mar sin tá kosher mór agah.
Just the fáistí nó don baile.
The fastí.
Sin jazz.
Níl sa gam cahan.
Yeah, take me sin. Beidir an deir seachtainna sin. Ceapan go lí haine ag tarliú ar an dónach. Sin an trochu lá ceapam, yeah. An bhín éon like fireworks displays na Wainwood Harry to Chicopee, no. Éon á Jalan Willis agah se. Ní bhíon, no.
No.
Yeah, bín golóirdíine ag úsáid iad na sáile. Golóirdas na fireworks, but tá siad míad lethach sa they're illegal in the Republic, so car dul go dtí sé chundé chun iad ceannach and then iad a horta ras. No. Sin cad rinne má greithir nar bhí sin níos óga. Leis de wad níos éras na sé chundé freisin. Much cheaper there. Oh, honnig mé freisin tá Dairy Girls ar Netflix an bhín sib sé fé an share. Dairy Girls, no.
Honnig mé agus an dera.
Yeah, tá gach. Yeah, creating sé bvé go fóil. Did you finish it yet? An chlór?
No, and session 3?
Yeah, tá sé Netflix inis. Yeah, I think keep below him. Tá sé class. Déag mé written deir seachtain a ríis tá sé just call him. Agus an chlór déirnach marin sé ar fad dahad nóméid but tá sé calling bín tú a cuioine agus a gaiirid nó ag an am céine like. It's class now.
Corda, because I should Heimer show or that too.
Oh, just kiss with Orla.
I was just a coa. A corda Gerby Maga Vasokt about Porta Kaimid on fish on a agruinish. We're ready for a changeover. A Gerby Maga when my Anna hold just a bagage to live agus motherle e hound agus cockroach. Peter get lucky my green graph get lucky my photo biog diver fod. Montosh lower.
Yep, Shani Tagorla.
So a hain, a doe, a tree. Caholan. Gervila Maga Corda, Augustila gum go back Iha Hauna Untuck a Gwiv.
One.